Hello everyone, you are welcome in our lesson, English lesson, Smile series, Intermediate School Book 9. And our lesson is from Unit 2, and this is Lesson 6. Okay? Lesson 6 is about calligraphy. About calligraphy. The word calligraphy. The word calligraphy. Okay? Calligraphy is writing, the writing. Okay? Calligraphy is a beautiful writing. خطوط العربية. خطوط العربية. If you look at your book, lesson 6, unit 2, you can see a very beautiful writing. This writing is called calligraphy, the art of writing. فن الكتابة. Okay? Look at the picture. Okay? What can you see? Yes, this is a girl. What is she doing? She's writing. Good. This is a calligraphy. She's writing. This is a handwriting. It's a kind of calligraphy. Okay? Okay. Do you learn calligraphy at school? Do you learn calligraphy at school? Yes. Is it difficult or easy? It is difficult. Very good. It is difficult. Do you like doing the calligraphy? Yes. It's why? Because it is beautiful. Okay. Okay. So let's see the text. Activity 2. We have pictures on your right and we have writing on your left. So let us read, then we are going to see the question. Calligraphy is the art of beautiful writing. Beautiful writing. Writing. This is calligraphy. Calligraphy is a beautiful writing. If you go to the page, if you look, these are beautiful writing. It's good. And it is taught in Arabic school. Here are some of examples of the most important Arab scripts. Now, if you look at these are Arab scripts. Arab scripts. خطوط عربية. Arab scripts. Calligraphy is an art of beautiful writing. And if you go, these are scripts. Okay? Can you name some Arabic scripts? Yes, very good, Roga. And what else? Suls. These Suls, Roga, Dewani, these are scripts, Arab scripts. Good. Kofik is the oldest Arab script. It is one of the most difficult calligraphy style. The Holy Quran is traditionally written in Koptic script. So if you go here, this is Koptic. Thulth, the one of the most decorative scripts Letters have long lines and it is often used on books and in mosques. If you go to the mosque, you can find the Thul's writing, the Thul's script on the walls. Roga is a script which is used for handwriting. It is a simpler script than Copic or Thul's, and it is easier to read and write. And this is the one in our Arabic book, okay? Sunni is an Arabic script which started in China. You use a brush that is made from horse hair to write Sunni script. Okay, so we have different kind of Arabic script. We have Kofic, Sulf, Roga, Sunnis. Are there any others? Yes, there is a Dewani. Yes. So what are the questions? Use the text in activity 2 to answer the question. Before we answer the questions, we have some words. This word is taught, and it is a past of teach. Example, misali wa. Difficult, difficult, the opposite of easy. Simpler, the word simple and simpler. Ruga is simpler than sulus. أسهل. It is easy, yes. Brush. This is a brush. We use a brush to comb our hairs, yes. And we use a brush to brush our teeth. Horse hair. Horse hair. This is the horse and this is the hair of the horse. This is the hair of the horse. This is a horse. This is the hair of the horse. Okay? Script. There are different type of script. Style. The style, my style of writing. I use different style of writing. Slow, yes. Decorative. Do you know the word decor? To decor, to make something beautiful. Decorative. Yes, يزين. Handwriting. Handwriting. Handwriting means writing using your hand. Yes. Okay. Can you tell me the pictures that describe the writing style? Yes. Look at number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have Kofik, Thulth, Roga, and Sunni. Try to see. Yes. فكر كثيرا وتكلم قليلا. This is ربع. Yes. And this is Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Kofik, and this is the last one is Sunni. Okay. Okay. Circle the correct definition. We have some definitions, and we have two options. Okay. The word calligraphy, we have two, A and B. Is it a kind of art or a kind of story? The word calligraphy. This activity is activity A in the activity book. Okay. Choose one. Calligraphy. What is calligraphy? A kind of art or a kind of story? Very good. A kind of art. Number two, style. The word is style. A, especially pen or brush. B, a way of doing something. Style. Yes, a way of doing something good. Decorative. We know decorative. Beautiful or useful? Yes, beautiful, good. Script. A script is a way of painting. You know painting? A kind of writing. Which one is script? Yes, B, a kind of writing. Number five, handwriting. Is handwriting writing with a computer or writing with a pen or a pencil? Yes, writing with a pen or a pencil. This is about the definition. Okay. Go to the activity book, activity B, to complete the sentences using the word given. We have some words. We are going to complete the gaps. What are the words? Activity B. What are the words written? Read them together. Kofik, thulth, ruga, sunni. Okay. These are the words. We are going to use these four words in the spaces. We have from 1 to 8. Number 1, we can see dash on the walls of mosque. Which type of writing? We can see it in the mosque. Yes, Kofi, good. Number 2, isn't written with a pen. It is not written in the pen. This is thulth. It is written using a brush made of the horse hair. Good. Number 3, what the first Arabic script? The first Arabic script. This is Roga. Good. Roga. Roga is the first Arabic script. Number 5, comes from China. Which script comes from China? Sunni. Good. Number 6, is the script most people use when writing. Most of the people use this when writing. So which one is this? This is Ruga. So we use, all Sudanese or all people use Ruga when they are writing. Okay. 7, is usually used to write the Holy Quran. Which writing is using Holy Quran? Right. This is Kofik. And the last one, 8, is one of the most beautiful script. This is Thulth. Thulth is the most beautiful script. Okay. Now we are going to pupil book Activity 3. In activity 3, we have questions. How can we answer the questions? We read the text again. Which text? The text on number 2. We read it again. Okay? Then we are going to answer the question. The question from A to G. Okay, number 1. What is calligraphy? It is an art of writing, an art of beautiful writing. This is calligraphy. B. What is one of the most difficult script? The most difficult. Coffee. Good. C. What is one of the most decorative style? The most decorative style. Thulth, yes. We said that thulth is very beautiful. D. Is Roga a more difficult script than coffee? Roga is a more difficult than coffee? Yes. E. Which script is easiest to write? Which script is the easiest to write? Which one is the easiest for you to write? Roga. Roga is the easiest because we use it at the schools. F. Which script is the easiest? Which script is the easiest to write? This is Roga. Which script is easiest for you to write? This is according to you. For me, it's Ruga. What about you? Also Ruga? Oh yeah, why? Because Ruga, we used to do Ruga when we from early grade and we practice Ruga. So Ruga is easy for schools, especially in Sudan. And G, which is the most difficult script? Which is the most difficult for you? For me, first is the most difficult. What about you? Okay, this is according to you. Okay. Now we have grammar also. Grammar, do you remember the second grade when we want to compare two things? If I want to compare Ahmad and Muhammad, what do we use? Okay, this is A and this is B. If I want to compare A and B, I say A is dash than B. Okay, so I can use or I use an adjective here. استعمل الصفة ذكرين الكلام ده في سنة ثانية. And we said that the adjective here have ER. If it is short, we are going to add ER. If it is long, we are going to have more. Okay? So, if the adjective here easy, I will say A is easier than B. If the adjective hot, A is hotter than B. We add ER. If the adjective long, A is longer than B. So we are going to add ER. This is for the short adjective. للصفات مالها الصغيرة. Okay. If I want to compare more than two, إذا عايز أقارن بأكثر من واحد. A أقارنها ب 3. Okay. A is the dash of the three. Let us say A is ثلث. ثلث is the word difficult of the other script. If the word difficult, three syllables, ثلاثة مقاطع, we are not going to add ER. We are going to add most. حضيف كلمة most للصفات شنو؟ الطويلة. عرفنا الصفات الصغيرة بنضيف EST، لكن الليلة نعرف الصفات الطويلة بنضيف شنو؟ most. Why? Because it is already long, so I'm not going to make it longer. Okay? We have ER and we have most plus adjective. If the word beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, most difficult. If the word easy, it becomes easier than. And here there is a word than. With the ER there is a word than. And with the most there is a word that. لازم نلاحظ شنو للحاجات دي. Okay? Let's go to the book. رقعة is a simpler script than coffee. رقعة is a simpler script than coffee. So رقعة is the simplest. Is a dash than ثلث. Now we compare رقعة and ثلث. قارنا بين الاثنين دول. And the word simple. This is than. When there is than, we just add ER. It becomes رقعة is a simpler than ثلث. Okay? If there is three, we are going to use most. If the adjective is long. تمام يا جماعة? Yes. This is the grammar. So let us go to activity book. Activity C. In the activity book, there is an activity in the book. Circle the correct words. بنعمل دائرة لشنو؟ للكلمة الصحيحة. We are going to practicing. عايزين نتمرن على الكلام اللي قلناه هسه بإنه the adjective have ER when there is than, and the adjective have most when there is the and a long adjective. وكانت الصفة مالها طويلة أكثر من مقطع. نشوف. Calligraphy is a very traditional, most traditional kind of art. Because there is very لأنها في كلمة very traditional. Okay? ما في هنا مقارنة. Maida's handwriting is dash than Dalia's handwriting. في كلمة شنو than. There is a word than. معناه شنو? This is comparative. So which one? Is it simple or simpler? Yes, very good. Simpler. And end it in ER. بنتهي ب ER. Number 3. Coffee is an older script than ثلث. في شنو؟ ذا ولا than? Than. Okay. So which one we are going to choose? The one that end in ER. يبقى حنستعمل شنو؟ older. Number 4. The style of calligraphy is difficult, more difficult to write than other one. كلمة than. Which one? هنشتغلها. More difficult. Very good. Yusuf writes the better, best stories of all the boys in his class. There is the word that في كلمة that. Which one? Better or best? Yes, best, good. Number 6, رقعة is not a very decorative, more decorative calligraphy style. هنا there is no the and there is no than. So which one? We are going to take the adjective. حنشيل الادجective براها تبقى decorative. Okay? So let us revise this again, the grammar again, to make the rule clear. Okay? Adjective, when there is a, we have two things. Either the adjective plus er or the long adjective الصفات الطويلة most plus the adjective. And when there the word than, we have adjective plus er الصفات القصيرة or more plus adjective. We have the adjective easy and we have the adjective difficult. As an example, let us do this example. إذا أخذنا easy, قول the easier. Is it? No. The easiest. EST. Good. Difficult? The most difficult. And easy? Easier than, more difficult than. This is the end of the lesson. And thank you very much for your attending and for your listening.